I've been using the Shark NV151 Navigator Swivel Pro for a little while now, and I have to say, it's been quite the experience. When we decided to replace our old vacuum, which had seen better days, I was a bit apprehensive, especially moving from a well-known brand. But this Shark model has truly exceeded my expectations. Right off the bat, the suction power is impressive. It just gobbles up dirt and pet hair like it's nothing. Living with two golden retrievers means there's a lot of fur flying around, and I found this vacuum tackles it all with ease. Switching between carpet and bare floor modes is a breeze too. I noticed right away that the carpet setting really knows how to lift that stubborn hair from our rugs. It's almost a little surreal watching it work so effectively in just one pass, almost like one of those cleaning commercials. And speaking of ease, I really appreciate how lightweight this vacuum is. It makes the job of cleaning stairs much less of a chore, especially with that convenient top handle. I can carry it around without straining my back, which is a huge plus. The swivel steering is also a game changer for maneuvering around furniture. It feels so natural. That said, I did run into a couple of minor issues. For one, the power cord is a bit shorter than I'm used to, which sometimes has me rearranging things a little more than I'd like. And while it's made of lighter plastic, it seems sturdy enough as long as I handle it with care. I'm also being cautious near the edges of rugs or when running over cords. This vacuum has a powerful grip and can pull up things you might not expect. The additional tools that come with this vacuum are useful, especially for tackling tricky spots like between couch cushions or in tight corners. The crevice tool has been a real lifesaver for those hidden dust bunnies. However, I did find that some of the attachments feel a little less durable than I'd hoped, but they still get the job done. I've noticed that the HEPA filtration system works wonders for keeping the air cleaner, which has been a welcome change, especially for those of us with allergies. The filter does a great job at trapping the fine dust and allergens, making my home feel fresher. Plus, with that see-through canister, it's satisfying to see just how much dirt gets collected. Overall, I'm quite pleased with this vacuum. It's an excellent balance of performance and value, especially when you consider how well it performs on both carpets and hard surfaces. If you're looking for something that can keep up with a busy household, I think this vacuum deserves a closer look. So if you're curious and want to learn more about the Shark NV151 Navigator, feel free to check out the link below for more information.